Having sampled the Grenadier's highway performance on the way from Adelaide, the Grenadier team were excited to get stuck into the first of the off-road tests that would face them on Googs track, a 170 kilometre trail consisting of over 300 sand dunes and heavy corrugations. Known for its undulating terrain and soft sand, Googs track enabled the trails team to assess the Grenadier's off-road traction, articulation and power, harvesting data from sensors installed back at base and designed to monitor vehicle parameters. Part of the reason for venturing into the South Australian outback was to monitor the performance in the extreme heat and dust. However, the typical intense sunshine and 40+ degree temperatures had given way to cooler conditions and unseasonal rain. Nevertheless, it took a bit more of unexpected weather to stop them. The Grenadier team just perform other tests and carry on their journey along the trail.